Sudhanshu. Welcome to this chat.
Hi, Roshni. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
In fact, of course, I've seen you in so many movies. You're doing so well in the web space. But right now, we are talking about television because you're making
Yeah,
your daily soap debut soon.
absolutely. Absolutely.
So how does it feel? Because the daily soap world is something else compared to everything else.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think anything else can justify the word daily itself, because because when you start to shoot for a daily soap, it is you realize that it's actually daily, and there is no respite, there is no space. You are on a roller coaster ride, and it just goes on, and you've got to learn to enjoy that process of doing a daily soap, because ultimately you've got to love it, or you will never be able to do it, you know because it's a lot of hard work, it's a lot of routine work, and you're always running against time. And that's the nature of a daily soap, that you're always, it's a very basic nature of that genre, that you're always running against time, because the content, you have to churn out the content non-stop, and we started with a 6 day schedule. So we'll be on air 6 days a week, which leaves us with only one spare day. And that spare day also doesn't mean that we get it spare also, like we don't get any day free. It's a non-stop continuous process to be shooting and to be trying to create a bank as much as possible.
So in terms of Anupama, what was the clincher? What made you take up this role? All these years you've not done a daily soap, but this time around you felt you should do it.
So, Roshni, I always thought that if I were to ever in my life step into the space of daily soap, uh, also over a period of time, I realized that, it does, a daily soap has really changed a lot of lives, you know. It has influenced a lot of people. It has influenced our generation, our population, our middle class so much that people really connect. The audiences really connect with the actors, and they have sort of you know uh, uh, taken the actors of daily soaps to another level of stardom. And today daily soap stars are probably, if not bigger, they're almost at par with any well-known film star, and their following is probably even more. If you really if you really see the Instagram accounts of these actors, they have far more followers and far more likes that they get on their social media accounts than most of the actors who've been doing films for years. So obviously there is a connect. So that is one reason that was in my head, that it's I've done so many films, and I've done a lot of big films as well. And I've done a Hollywood film also. I've done uh, the biggest ever Hindi or Indian film ever made, called Robo 2.0 with Rajnikant. And I've been a part of all these, big ventures and smaller ventures and all sorts of things. But I feel that uh, the connect that the audience feels with you is very strong on television, and uh, the influence a lot more is a lot more stronger. That is one very big reason for me to have made my mind over all these years to do a television daily soap.
Yeah.
Second reason, I thought that if I ever want to do it, I would do it with somebody who's my friend in terms of the production. And because I've been around a long time, I have a lot of friends who are producers. So I'm very lucky that it has come through Rajan Shahi, who's a very dear old friend of mine. And the third very important reason for me was because I'm a little finicky as far as content is concerned. So I hold myself in high regards as an actor. It could be just a complete myth in my own mind, but as long as that myth
You
helps
know
me.
yourself well, you know your ability, and you know you've got a good following. So, I'm not surprised you're
No,
particular about it.
thank you. I'm glad you're giving me such kind words. But So yeah, so this was something very important for me, that whatever I choose has to be something uh, that has great content. You know, my only thing was that if I ever do a daily soap, it has to be something that is not a very regular run of the mill daily soap, which has big sets, glamour, fancy outfits, jewelry, hairstyles, and all of that.
Hmm.
A lot of makeup and very very stark, everything very stark. I just wanted to do something that is more in the real space, and with a lot more stronger content, because I feel I'm very good with emotions, and I do well in human stories. I personally feel that, although people all tend to take me, in stronger roles, very strong, uh, either a villain or a very strong character or a very angry man, or more macho. But I personally feel that I could do really well, and I've done in past also on in more human stories. So this content is very strong, Anupama, as you probably have figured out with the promo. It's not a very glossy looking show. It's not heavy makeup or very glamorous kind of a show. It's very subtle. It's a story of a middle class family, and it's a very human story. It's very high on emotions and sentiments, and I think nothing works better than emotions and sentiments. People instantly connect with it. People can relate to the characters very easily, and they can become a part of that family through their screens very easily. So I think it's, for me, it's a blessing, and I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. I'm hoping to the almighty Jai Mahakal, uh, you know that this works for all of us.
Would you agree with the actors who say that actually working for a show, working on television is more difficult than Bollywood?
It's indeed very difficult. It's way too difficult. There is no comparison, because I've been used to working in films, and off late I've done a lot of web stuff, and everywhere it has been very, it's, you do your work at leisure. You take your time. You're going through clothes and styling, and talking about shot from here, from there, all the angles and emotions. Here, once you get into it,
Mm.
there is no looking back. There is no looking back, because then you are on a train that is moving really fast. So
Right.
you've got to be, you can't get out of it. Once the train is on the track and it's moving, you can't get off it. Then you're at it, and it's a lot of hard work, because you're working non-stop every day. In the morning, you wake up at 6 o'clock, you come back at 9 or 10 o'clock, and then so it's almost like 15, 16 hours work, and you get 6 hours sleep, and in the space that you get in between, you've got to think about your routines, your workout, your pranayam, your medicines, your food, everything. So it's definitely a big challenge, and unless you really fall in love with it, it's very difficult to be able to sustain.
That's true. And in fact, Sudhanshu, right now it's even more challenging for you because, it's COVID times, social distancing, the way you guys are managing on the set. So you've actually stepped in at a time when it's most challenging.
Yes, it is. I guess it's only God knows why this has happened, but
Oh,
you know,
like COVID has happened. I thought you said only God knows,
uh,
how we are shooting on
yeah,
the reactor.
yes, absolutely, absolutely. Everything is, right now, for everything I say, only God knows. You know, the best we can do is, from our side, be very careful, take all the precautions, put in your best efforts in terms of taking care of yourself and people around you, and leave the rest to God, because that's the best you can do. I mean, if you take care of yourself, you are, sort of making sure that whatever God has given you, you are respecting it, and when you respect it, I think God will take care of you. That is what I personally believe. So on the sets also, it's I think Rajan has done a fab job in terms of uh, providing so much of secured atmosphere around us. From the word go, from the time you enter the set, you are being checked for temperature, for oxygen level, your you are being sanitized, and then your makeup rooms are being sanitized 3 times a day. Your toilets are being sanitized 3 times a day. The common toilets for other technicians is being sanitized every 1 hour. Every 1 hour, they are sanitizing that. There are sanitizers everywhere, every nook and corner. So even if you walk 4 feet, you can sanitize your hands. So it's all over the place. The whole set is being sanitized. The unit is being served kadha, hot water with lemon, ginger. All of that is being given throughout the day to everybody. So the arrangement is absolutely fantastic. We've got a blood test done. So all those precautions are there. Everything is being done. So you can either get very very scared, ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ, or you can feel very secured, which I personally feel very secured, because even though everybody else is wearing masks, it's the actors who are fully exposed, because we can't wear masks when we are shooting. So so I don't feel worried or scared. I'm just precautious, so that I keep washing my hands and cleansing my hands and keep wearing mask when I'm not shooting. And that's it. I think there's enough reason for all of us to feel secured on the sets.
That's really nice, Zanshu. I mean, in these tough times, and people have started shooting, and they're doing their best, as you said on your show. On that note, I want to thank you for this chat and wish you luck for your show.
Thank you so much, Roshni. Thank you for having me. God bless you. Thank you so much.